Hey guys, welcome in our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to publish website from Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you will need to have Visual Studio Code installed in your PC. After that, I have created a folder in my desktop. So I'll just open it and I'll create a file index.html. I'll copy just a simple code so I can show you how to publish a website with HTML, JavaScript or CSS. We will go over here in the extensions list and we will type open in browser. Here we have it, and you will need to click install. We will give it a little time and it's already done. We will go back to our code here and we will right click in the mouse and we will see open in default browser. Here it will show your favorite code as you have created over there. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so we can see you in our next video. Thank you!